Hello, my name is Stella. Today's topic is the development of anatomy. We are going to talk about the history of anatomy from ancient times until now. Let's get started. First, what is anatomy? Anatomy is the study that observes about structures which organize creatures, appearance, size, position, and etc. This word came from Greek word anatomno, which means cutting, and through it we can know this section is fundamental and basic thing in anatomy. The kinds of anatomy can divide it to gross anatomy and microscopic anatomy. Gross anatomy is observing the body of creature with naked eyes without microscope. Microscopic anatomy is simply observing using microscope. The anatomy is constantly developed from the ancestor to William Harvey and many other anatomists. In ancient times, they were very interested in anatomy. Ancient Chinese believed that trachea is linked to the heart and spinal cord is connected to the dusks. The Jews also have an interest in anatomy. They observed the animals after they caught them in the abattoir so they could get knowledge about anatomy. The oldest record is Papyrus of Egypt, and especially the Edwin Smith Papyrus is the first record that the substance is about organ like hearts and vessel. And after it, Course of Hippocrates, who is called father of medicine and anatomy, started to teach the anatomy in Greece. He said, "Human's body is beginning of anatomy." And also Aristotle has an interest in anatomy. He used the term anatomy first, and he described the spine through animal dissection. We can say Galen is one of the famous anatomists ever. He wrote Ivres de Galenus, which is a collection of ancient anatomy based on knowledge gained by dissecting animals such as great apes and dogs, and it is believed for about 1,500 years as Bible. But the first person who researched the anatomy systematically is Andreas Vesalius. He found many errors in Galen's anatomy through dissecting the dead body. So Vesalius published the Harmonie Corporis Fabrica. It is organized with 7 books, and there are many clear woodcuts. It makes syndrome immediately, although the supporter of Galen blamed a lot. Next is William Harvey, who contributed in anatomy a lot. He showed that the blood is constantly circulates in a very accurate circuit, undoubtedly in the motu cordis et sanguinis, and this anatomy constantly developed like this. And now the researchers make efforts to develop anatomy linked to make many other fields such as 3D printing, psychology, and etc. I think that the future of anatomy looks bright and can have an interest of the anatomy. How about you today? I hope that you think this is a nice video. Thank you. See you later.